Hey guys, Magic Shadow here. Today I'm going to show you the difference between an amateur magician to a professional magician using cards. Let's check it out. First, what I say is the amateur magician actually needs to spread his cards to make the spectator choose a card. Like this. Actually spread his cards. The spectator chooses the cards. Okay, take off. He says this paper. Okay, like that. But a professional magician actually riffles the cards and say stop. Okay, just flip it like that. As I said you in the first, the professional magician actually need not even spread his cards to make his spectator choose a card. Like that. Okay? He need not even spread his cards to make his spectator choose a card. Like that. And he need not even cut the cards. Okay? As the amateur magician. So, the amateur magician actually cuts the cards to find the spectator's card and say actually afterwards, oh, this is your card, okay? So, he keeps it in the card box. So, he keeps it in the card box. But, the professional magician need not even talk to the spectator, but with just a snap, he finds it. But not here, but here. Like that. Okay? Do you want to know how to do this card trick? It's very simple. First, what you're going to do is, first you're going to say that the amateur magician actually needs to spread his cards like that. Actually take a card, show it to them. This is your card. Okay? Then what you're doing is you're taking the card and keeping it on the top. Okay? Keeping it on the top. And as you're cutting the cards, you're catching a break. Okay? You're catching a pinky break, large break. Okay? Casually turn it into a thumb break. Okay? And you're gonna cut the cards into half, bring it on the top, cut the cards into break, and bring it on to the top. Now the card is back to the top. Okay? Now come to the professional magician. You're gonna just riffle the cards and the spectator says stop right here. Okay? You're gonna say just pick it up. Just pick it. Okay? Then as you're leaving the cards, you're not leaving the cards totally. You're just keeping a break. Okay? Just keeping a pinky break. Okay, like this. Like this break. Okay? You're just keeping a pinky. As you're saying that, from the first you have to start. Like, the amateur magician need not even spread his cards. Oh, sorry, the professional magician need not even spread his cards to make a spectator choose a card. As you are doing this, you are going to steal this card. Actually, the spectator's card. You're going to actually steal this. You're going to place the card like this. You're going to actually steal this and place the card like this. And you're going to continue dealing. So this makes the card go to the bottom. So actually I ruined up the performance in this part. Okay, for the sorry. And now it's over. What you're going to do is you're going to just catch a break of this first card, the Key of Close, the professional magician's spectator card, and then you're going to cut the cards a little amount, and you're going to mix it with the deck, mix it with this pile. So the spectator's card is with this pile. Then you're going to casually bring it to the top like that. So now the two spectator cards are on the top. What you're doing is you're just going to catch break of the two cards, and you're gonna double lift the cards. You're gonna lift the cards and you're gonna show it as a one card, and you're gonna turn it over. Okay? Now actually you are keeping the professional magician's spectator card in the card box. And you're just talking to the spectator that the professional magician need not even talk to the spectator. He just needs a snap to find his card, but not here, but here. And you're going to open your box and you're going to show the card. That's the spectator's card. Hope you guys enjoy this trick. Please don't forget to comment, like, share this video, and please subscribe to our channel. This is signing out from Magic Shadow. Bye.